Are you struggling with no sound on your ViewSonic monitor? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common but frustrating problem. Your ViewSonic monitor has no sound. Stay tuned as we guide you through simple steps to fix this issue. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure your monitor is properly plugged in. Check the power cable and the audio cable. If they are loose, give them a good push to secure them. Next, check the volume settings. Sometimes the issue is just that the volume is turned down or muted. Adjust the volume using the buttons on your monitor. Is your sound coming from the right source? If your monitor is connected to a computer, make sure the sound output is set to your ViewSonic monitor. Outdated drivers can also cause sound problems. Let's check if your audio driver needs an update. If none of these steps work, there might be a hardware issue. It's possible that the speakers in your monitor are damaged. In this case, it's best to contact ViewSonic support or a professional technician for help. Let's quickly recap. Check your cables, adjust volume settings, select the correct sound source. Update your drivers, and if needed, seek professional help. Was this video helpful? We hope your ViewSonic monitor is now sounding great. For more tech tips and solutions, visit our website. The link is in the description below. And remember, like, subscribe, and share for more easy-to-follow tech guides. See you in the next video.